Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stash app to make money. First, download the Stash app and link your bank account. You can begin investing with as little as $1, making it accessible for nearly everyone. Stash offers various tools to help you build a diversified portfolio and work towards your financial goals. It's designed to make investing straightforward and understandable, helping you put your money to work for your future. One powerful way to make money with Stash is through fractional shares. This feature allows you to buy just a small piece of a company's stock or an exchange-traded fund, even if a full share costs hundreds of dollars. You can start with as little as 1 cent for some investments. This means you can easily diversify your portfolio across many different companies and industries, spreading out your risk and increasing your potential for growth over time. Another excellent feature for growing your money is Stash's Smart Portfolios. These are professionally managed portfolios that automatically invest and rebalance for you based on your personal risk preferences. You can set up recurring investments, like $25 every week, to consistently add to your portfolio without needing to manually make trades. This set-it-and-forget-it approach helps you build wealth steadily over the long term. Finally, you can earn money by simply spending with the Stash Stockback card. When you use this debit card for everyday purchases, you'll receive fractional shares of stock in the companies where you shop. For example, buying coffee could earn you a piece of that coffee company's stock. These rewards are actual investments that can grow in value over time, offering a unique way to turn your spending into potential earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.